Welcome back. Keep in mind first that you still have today, when you see this video, to complete the work for week 15-16. I am aware, painfully so, you guys were very on the ball with the emails telling me that there was a question wrong. I apologize. I will get the points, the 5 points added back in as soon as the quiz closes at 11:59 for me tomorrow, for you when you see this tonight. So my bad there. So the final is worth 20% of your grade, and I think I went over this last time I spoke to you, but say you're getting an 80 in the class, and you multiply that by 0.8. All right, 8 times 8 is 64%. All right, 64, but 64%. All right, now say you do, so you're walking into the final then with 64%. So 20% of the grade is still on the table. Say you do really well, you get 100 on your final. You multiply that by 0.2. All right, that's 20%. 64% plus 20% is 84%. Congratulations, you keep your B in the class. That's how it's graded. That's how this will all be graded. So it covers the Bill of Rights, Amendments 1 through 10, federalism, and you do a little identification with government officials and the offices they occupy. The final opens May 9th at 12:01 a.m. It closes May 12th at 11:59 p.m. I am going to be a big jerk with this, ladies and gentlemen. If you cannot get it done in 4 days, because it is May 9th, May 10th, May 11th, May 12th, I have no sympathy. I have no sympathy. If you cannot get it done in 4 days, I'm not reopening it. I will not. Okay? And I'm talking to 2 or 3 of you. Two of you in particular. And I think you know who you are. This is not being reopened. All right? Plan ahead. Find a way to get it done. You'll have 2 hours on the final, which is standard time. But you're only going to have one opportunity to take the test. So sit down, have a great internet connection, kick the rest of your family off the internet if you need to make sure you don't get kicked out, and take that test. You'll have 2 hours. You get it done. I'm not going to open the final back up. You must find a way to take the final between the 9th and the 12th. I need to be done fairly quickly, and I'm moving on to summer classes. So you're out of luck if you can't get it done in 4 days. All right, the test is true, false, multiple choice, multiple answer. I'll go back in and look at the multiple answer questions to make sure you get the partial credit you deserve. If you get one answer and there are 3, and as always, all grades are final. So it's 54 points. The points really don't matter because it's 20% of your grade, period. 120 minutes again. The answers are shuffled, so you're not going to have the same final that another person in this class has. You can see the correct answers after the final closes. You'll have one question at a time. I have not locked the questions. I have not locked the questions after answering, so you can go back and change your mind. So it looks a little something like this. Identify the following delegated powers. Now you've had this all semester, so like if you don't know what the delegated powers are, because I've used the same question all semester too, then there's nothing I can do to help you. But other than that, I'll wrap up the grading. just have a few things outstanding. So again, I'm pleading with you to look at Canvas, look at the grades. If I have made a mistake, if you think I've made a mistake, please let me know. If there's an assignment that I just somehow missed, email me the assignment, whatever. But, I want to give you the grade you've earned. So help me do that by looking on Canvas, making sure your grades are good and you agree with what I've put on there. All right. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, reach out. If not, final will unlock May 9th at 12 a.m.